How much is your confidence worth? In the US, it might cost a fortune, but here, it costs just a flight. Welcome to Medellin, Colombia, the world's rising capital for high-tech dental tourism. Medellin isn't just a city, it's a hub of dental innovation. Clinics here match US standards with the latest FDA-approved implants and CAD/CAM technology, while specialists focus exclusively on your treatment for optimal results. Replace a full arch of missing teeth with just 4 or 6 implants. Angled placement maximizes bone contact and often avoids bone grafts. Individual implants replicate your natural teeth in function and appearance, restoring your smile perfectly. Using advanced software, we design your smile before surgery even begins, tailored to your face, your personality, and your natural aesthetics. For the price of just one tooth back home, you can restore your entire smile in Medellin, including a vacation. These clinics combine advanced technology, trained specialists, and personalized care. English-speaking coordinators and lifetime warranty options ensure your comfort and trust. Medellin isn't just a clinic visit, it's a breath of fresh air. Stay in upscale El Poblado, enjoy perfect spring-like weather, and recover in a city that has transformed itself, just like your smile. Stop waiting. Your new smile is affordable and just a flight away. Click the link to request your free dental quote with PlacidWay Medical Tourism.